Hello everyone, I'm Ed Grier, Dean of the Leavey School of Business here at Santa Clara University. And welcome to Business Matters. This is the first of our video series that you will see from us maybe about once a month. We'll tell you about our challenges, our successes, all the pertinent information you want to know about the Leavey School of Business. The campus has been very quiet this summer, but you wouldn't know it from the output of our faculty. If you look at all the interviews they conducted, I think there were over 70 year to date. You can learn more about their stories, their articles in our newly launched newsroom. The link is right here below. Please click on that to learn more about the great work our faculty are doing. On a quiet summer campus, something exciting also happened this year. On July 27th, we had the opportunity to ring the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange in celebration of our 100th anniversary. What a wonderful time to showcase the great work of the Leavey School of Business across the globe. Well, it's almost time to welcome back our new students. This year, we will welcome about 450 students. They're great students from over 25 countries with GPAs that average 3.73. Fantastic. We're looking forward to that. I'm also looking forward to our upcoming retreat. We get to discuss our new ideas and how we can make this the most innovative year at the Leavey School ever. So stay tuned for the next episode of Business Matters, and I'll see you around campus.